right? So we booked an appointment, let's say for Friday. Today is Tuesday. What do we do next? So here's what most of the agents do. Most of the agents will send an email, a generic email. Most of the agents may possibly follow up and confirm, but that's pretty much it. They go there without really knowing that much about the seller, what the seller needs are, what seller is thinking, what sellers actually know about them and the marketing and the services they provide, right? None of that. So we go there essentially blind. We go to that meeting not really knowing that much about the seller situation, but more importantly, the seller doesn't really know that much about us. Okay, so what we want to do from minute to minute that we book that meeting, we want to pre-sell ourselves. Okay, so how do we do that? Once the appointment is scheduled, we send an email with the following information. In the email, and this is important, guys, this is going to be a game changer for you, so you know. Okay, you want to make sure that you include the agenda overview of your meeting with them. What are you going to talk about? Right? You're going to tour the house. You're going to see the outside of the house. You're going to see the inside of the house. You're going to share the comps with them. You're going to share your marketing approach. Okay? You're going to talk about the price, right? And share with them how you're going to be able to sell the house. That should be the agenda